Good morning, Mia.
Oh, is it morning?
It is time to wake up.
Ah. Good morning, Mommy. Look, the sun is up.
Yes, the sun is big and yellow.
I am up. I am ready. Where is Daddy?
Morning, Mia. I am here. Let's brush our teeth together. Here is your brush, Mia.
Why do we brush our teeth, Daddy?
To make them clean and white. Brush up and brush down. Brush up and brush down.
Up and down, like this?
Perfect. You are doing great.
Now, let's wash your face. Close your eyes, Mia.
I wash my face. Now I am awake.
Who is hungry?
Me, I'm hungry.
Sounds like we all are.
All right, let's eat.
I am hungry. I want pancakes.
Super Daddy is cooking. Let's make pancakes.
It is a circle, a big circle.
I have eggs. 1 egg. 2 eggs.
3 eggs. I like eggs, Mommy.
Look at this. 1, 2, 3. Oops. Oh no. I am a bit clumsy today.
Silly Daddy, you have a hat.
A pancake hat? That is funny.
Mia, can you help me? Set the plates.
Yes, I can help. This is for me. Blue is for Mia. Red is for Daddy. And yellow is for Mommy.
Good job, Mia. You are a great helper.
Breakfast is ready.
Here is your milk. Milk is good for you.
Thank you, Mommy. It is cold.
Look, Mia has a white mustache.
A mustache? The pancake is yummy! Oh no! I am sorry. I am sorry, Mommy.
It is okay, Mia. Everyone makes mistakes. Can you get a towel?
I can get it! I clean it up. Is it clean now?
Yes, we clean it up together.
Look, I have apples and bananas.
I want a banana. It is yellow.
Mia, look at the clock. What time is it?
It is 7:40?
Yes, it is time to get ready for school.
Where is my bag? I found it. Here is my bag. What is in my bag? My book and my crayons.
Wait, do not forget your lunchbox. Here is your lunch.
Thank you, Daddy. Now I am ready. Oh, where's my sock? Is it here? No, it is not.
Let's look together. Is it under the chair?
I found it. Here is your sock, Mia.
Thank you, Mommy. My feet are warm now.
Not yet. You need your shoes.
My shoes are small. They're too tight. Ugh, I need help. Help me, Mommy. I cannot do it.
Look, make a loop and pull.
I did it! I can tie my shoes!
You are a big girl now!
Time to get dressed, Mia. Here is your shirt.
Where is my head? I found it! I like this yellow shirt. It is pretty.
Good job, Mia. Now, put on your pants.
One more thing. Wear your jacket, Mia.
Yes! I am ready for school!
Time to go! The bus is coming!
The air is fresh. I love the sun. Listen! What is that?
It is the school bus. It is yellow and big.
Look! It is here!
Good morning, Mia! Ready for school?
Good morning, Mr. Joe! Goodbye, Daddy. I love you.
Goodbye, sweetie. Have a great day.
Goodbye, Mommy.
Goodbye, Mia. Learn a lot and be kind.
I will. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
When you come home, Mia, we will cook together!
Yes! We will make yummy spaghetti!
See you soon.